Whoa, welcome guys, Keegan with Seared and Smoked, and today I'm a little jacked up because we're building a grill table for this lonely green egg over here in its old nest. We're gonna give it a new home, and it's gonna take less than 4 hours. We're gonna do it. The plans I created for it, they're easy to build. It's a sexy, nice looking grill table for the money. You can do it for probably less than $150, and it's about the same amount of money you'd probably spend on the nest and the side tables for it anyway. This is gonna be a much better setup for you guys. I'm excited to show you this. And once again, plans are absolutely free. So I'll put those links below and up in the corner. I think it's time to get rocking on this table. You can tell I'm excited because I love grill tables. I just do. All right, so it's going good. We got our 2x4s cut for all of our framing. Now we're gonna cut our 1x8s down to approximately 7 feet or a little bit less for the countertop. So I just kind of line those up to make sure I got the good side facing up that I like. And then I end cut every one of them just to get a nice crisp cut on them and measure it out to the desired distance and just make sure that we got the good side facing up. We don't have any bad stuff, you know, on the bottom. All these are looking pretty good, but still, lay them out how they look good, then cut them so you know you're gonna get a good countertop. All right, we have the hard part over with. We got all the cutting done, all the measuring. Now it's pretty much assembly. We have all our 2x4s and 1x8s organized in nice little piles. So now, all we have to do is lay things out, put it together, cut a hole in the countertop, and that's about it for the construction side of things. All right, we're in the home stretch. We got our framing completed. We just need to put it together, put on our shelving, cut a hole, drop the egg, and the main table is done. All right, we did it. The table is complete. It took a little under 4 hours for all the construction. With all the sanding and just kind of detail-oriented work that I like to do, is probably a little over 4 hours. So depending on your skill level, it might take more, but either way, definitely doable in a day for sure for anybody, especially with these detailed plans I have at searedandSmoked.com. Just look for free grill table plans, and I'll also put the links down below, or you can click the link there up in the corner to check out the website with this grill table plan and many more for green eggs. So let's take a look at this table. Okay, so my favorite thing about this table is how easy it is to build, but also kind of the sleek quality of it as well. Looks a little different than some you might see out there. And then it's constructed to be very solid as far as holding the weight of the egg. As you can see, you got your egg shelf down here, and then it transfers all the weight to the legs below. Not transferring weight to just the screws, but transfers weight to the legs down to the casters, so this should hold up for a very long time. And this is for a large green egg. I will probably put up plans for XL eggs on my website as soon as I can as well for this same model. That'll also be free to download. And the only thing you'll want to do here is put a piece of granite underneath, or use something non-flammable and the egg nest above it to keep your egg and your table nice and safe from burning up in the future, especially during hot cooks. As you can see, there's a little work left to do as it is not stained and there's no green egg in it. So if you want to see the completion, how I get that green egg in there by myself and what stain I'm going to use, just check out the video up there, or you can also subscribe right there for videos in the future. And then all links will be down below for all the products I use, and of course grill table links for this table and the others that I built in the past.